Being a DIY kind of a guy myself, I decided that I want to build something for this one. Something that proves to me and my fiancé that I can function as an adult. So naturally I went to YouTube. Because if there's one place where everything looks easy, it's YouTube. The other one is for making this DIY project. There are thousands of tutorials. Anyone can do this. Beginner friendly. Only takes 10 minutes. Perfect. So today I'm testing if I can actually build something, or if I should never touch tools again. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to Tube Tour. I started with something simple, a basic tutorial. Nothing complicated, just follow the steps and then everything should be fine. The first channel is HowToBasic. HowToBasic is a DIY channel. In the same way, fire is a cooking method. It presents itself like a normal tutorial. How to make something, how to fix something, how to do basic shit. The channel started as a simple tutorial style videos, but instead of helping people, it slowly turned into chaos. Destruction, absolute confusion. And somehow millions of people kept watching. Because at some point you stop asking why and start asking how is this still going? Today the formula is simple. Start with a normal idea, destroy everything, end with something that technically resembles the original code. It's fast, loud and completely unhelpful. Which is impressive in its own way. I like watching because it makes me feel better about myself. No matter what mistakes I make, at least I didn't throw 47 eggs at a wall yet. You should watch HowToBasic if you enjoy chaos and want to lose trust in tutorials. Press play and lower your expectations. Maybe I picked the wrong tutorial. This did help me though, but I need something that I don't already do wrong. The next channel is Evan and Katelyn. Evan and Katelyn is a DIY channel focused on creative projects, resin builds, crafting, experiments, but unlike the previous channel, they actually try to make things work. The channel started with simple DIY projects and experiments, testing ideas, trying new materials, figuring things out as they go. And what made it grow was the overbearing positivity. Today, the channel features creative builds, experiments and custom projects, bright visuals, fun energy and nice DIY projects. It feels like DIY with personality, a lot of personality. I like watching because it feels achievable. You watch a video and think, I could do that. You buy everything needed and it goes well. Until you quit on the first steps. You should watch Evan and Katelyn if you enjoy creative DIY projects with a realistic approach. Press play and consider trying something yourself. No. Why should I start from the middle of the learning curve? I should start from the very top of the chart. If I could make master level of DIY, the easy ones would come easy like breathing or getting rid of that cum that has been riding with you on the bottom of your shoe. I also decided what to make. I will make a stroller. I know you're probably thinking, what the fucking shit? No, don't start with that. But one thing that I am not is a good listener. Also, I have heard lover, but that is not relevant. So I will learn from this channel and then start my baby stroller making. The next channel is DIY Perks. DIY Perks is what happens when DIY becomes engineering. This is not crafting, this is precision, custom electronics, perfect builds, projects that looks like they belong in a lab, not in my apartment. The channel started with creative DIY ideas and experiments, but over time the complexity increased. Better tools, better techniques, better results, until the projects became unreasonably good. And the audience grew, because watching perfection is very satisfying. Today, the channel features high-end custom builds and technical projects, clean shots, detailed process, perfect results. Everything looks controlled, everything works, which is suspicious. I like watching because it's impressive. You see something impossible and then he builds it. Meanwhile, I struggle with breathing, but that's between me and my doctor. You should watch DIY Perks if you enjoy high quality builds and want to see what's actually possible. Or if you want to feel completely unqualified, press play and admire the skill. So, did YouTube help me build something? I tried to build something and built absolutely nothing, which is still technically something. I know how to build things, I just don't want to build them. But I tried, which I think is the first step. The second step is not doing that at all. I think I have to show my age with something else than DIY projects. Also, my doctor is calling, so I have to go. I hope this helped you find a new channel to watch. You can comment the channel you like and I might review it next. Thank you for joining the tube tour. Good night.
Thank you for joining.
What do you mean, fat?